If you are looking for a powerful and efficient electric tiller for your gardening needs, you might want to consider the LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller 10 ampere 16 inches. LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller 10 ampere 16 inches has many features that make it a great choice for tilling small to medium-sized gardens and flower beds. Here are some of the features that make this tiller stand out. 1. 10 ampere motor. The LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller has a 10 ampere motor that delivers enough power to cut through hard soil and weeds. The motor runs at 280 RPM when free spinning, also quiet and eco-friendly, as it does not produce any harmful emissions or noise. 2. 16 inches cutting width and 9 inches tilling depth. The LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller has a 16 inches cutting width and 9 inches tilling depth that allows you to cover more ground in less time. The cutting width can also be adjusted to 11 inches or 8 inches, depending on your preference and the size of your garden. 3. 6 steel blade and dual direction tines. The LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller has 6 steel blade and dual direction tines that rotate forward and backward, creating a fine and uniform soil texture. The tines are also made of durable steel and have a sharp edge that can easily break up clumps and roots. 4. 2 adjustable transit wheel. There are 2 adjustable tiller heights to meet all your needs. 5. Foldable handle. The LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller has a foldable handle that makes it easy to store and transport. The handle also has an ergonomic design and a soft grip that provide comfort and control while tilling. 6. Safety features. The LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller has several safety features that prevent accidents and injuries. For example, it has a cord retention hook that keeps the power cord from getting tangled or disconnected. It also has a safety switch that prevents the tiller from starting accidentally. Pressing the safety locking button to start it, then pull the trigger lever up and against the motor. The LawnMaster TE1016M Electric Tiller 10 ampere 16 inches is a versatile and reliable electric tiller that can help you create a beautiful and healthy garden. It has a reasonable price and a 2-year warranty that guarantee its quality and performance. If you are interested in buying this tiller, you can check out its availability and customer reviews on Amazon.com.